Using Layout Builder, you can build a layout or a widget in varied sizes. One of the benefits with Layout Builder is it provides you with local size constraints for a UI component. For example, if you wrap a widget inside a layout builder, every time there is a change in the app window size, the build method will be called and you will receive the box constraints which will have minimum width, minimum height and maximum height boundaries that your widget can take. But in case your widget needs to cross the size constraints, if your widget wants to go bigger than the box constraints provided, then you can wrap your child widget in a single child scroll view or a overflow widget. Similarly, if you need your widget to be smaller than the provided box constraints, then you can wrap it in a align widget so that that widget will be shown in the appropriate position in the overall space available. Here is an example of a widget that is built in two different sizes using Layout Builder. To use Layout Builder, simply return Layout Builder inside the build method of the widget for which you are building. Once you return the layout builder from the build method, every time there is a change in the app window size, the layout builder method will be invoked. This builder method will pass us the constraints which contain the current min and max width, min and max height values. So using the max width here, we are determining what is the current breakpoint range is like. So if it is crossing 600, we are building a large widget. If otherwise, we are building a small widget. So here is a code to build the small widget. We have built the small widget using a list view containing children because the layout items in this widget are going to cross the height of the window. So we kept them to be scrollable. For this reason, we used a list view. The same thing can be achieved using a single child scrolling widget containing a column as its child, and the column can contain the same children that we have here. So as you can see here, the first one is the image, and here we have the title section, and then we have the button section, and then we have the text section. Totally 4 children under the list view. And here is a code for the large widget. Here you can see we have implemented this large widget using a single child scroll view containing a card, and the large widget itself uh, needs to be scrollable because sometimes if you are viewing the same thing on a mobile in landscape mode, the height may be very small, that you still need these widget to be scrollable. The body of our large widget is divided into two equal parts by using the expanded widget. By default, if you don't mention the flex factor for expanded widget, it will be 1. So here we have two expanded widgets as the children of a row, and this row becomes is the body of the card which is inside a single child scroll view. And the first child is showing all the image, the title and the subtitle, and the second child is showing the buttons section and the text section. So now you know how to use the layout builder. To quickly recap, simply use the layout builder, return the layout builder from the build method of the widget which you are building. Use the box constraints coming in the builder method and decide what should be your widget size. To compare layout builder with media query, media query is quite useful to know app level information and device level information. Media query doesn't provide any information at widget level, but using layout builder, you get the box constraints which are very specific to the widget we are building. Layout builder doesn't provide app level information. So in summary, use media query widget when you are dealing at app level and use layout builder when you are dealing with widgets. With that, now you know how to build responsive layouts using media query and layout builder widgets.